Hey, Mary, what you doing?
What do you mean?
Well, what is this? What's happening over here?
Okay, so we moved. Our house was actually on a farm, so we had farm clay soil, pasture soil, plus we had compacted construction soil. See this really hard clay soil?
Yeah, red dirt.
Red dirt. So nothing, even though they did some hydro seeding, nothing's really growing here.
Okay.
And instead of trying to rehydro seed again and water a bunch, because right now, it's not rained in like 10 days.
Mm-hmm.
I decided to work with the land and take what I'm going to show you in just a minute, pulling up some dead roots system from some excess stray weeds and putting it over here with the mulch and the roots. And
You're putting the weeds over here?
So a weed is a plant that you don't want. And these weeds are the ones that were grass seeds that had blown into my bank.
I got it. So you're putting grass there.
Right.
You're seeding it yourself.
Right. And just this will decompose.
Yeah.
And give it some more nutrients and more loaminess, and eventually it'll look good. It's just working with time and nature together.
Great. Okay.